Basically, last time this was adjourned meeting. It was adjourned last time because of shortage of time. We have taken some small decisions like, in principle, we have given approval for reconstruction of Ponda municipality garden. In principle approval. Similarly, in principle approval for parking plaza to be developed by Suda on the PDA line. These are the in principle decisions taken. They will submit the plans and all details afterwards. And rest of the things were all normal, nothing.
In principle, I approval दिला असा Ponda municipal garden. आणि बाकीचे किती प्रपोजल आज ते आम्ही सगळे आज क्लियर केले सगळे. प्रपोजल कोणाला कंस्ट्रक्शन कोणाला ओपनसी आणि किती असं सगळे दिले.
म्युनिसिपॅलिटी गार्डन किती पास होतं तुम्ही?
म्युनिसिपल गार्डन Ponda गार्डन डेव्हलप करतो.
डेव्हलप करतो.
डेव्हलप करतो ते घेतलं पास केलं आम्ही.
SGPDAच्या अध्यक्षांनी कामांची सुरुवात करून घटक राज्य दिसाचे टार्गेट दवरला.
We have gotten now technical approval for that, and the tender will come out soon. Okay, so maybe in another week's time or something. First, we'll have to put it up in the papers, and then the tender will come out in a week's time, maybe. Okay, and if all goes well, work will be commenced and commissioned soon. Okay, and we are hoping if everything goes well. Okay, that means the tendering.
What is the work? What is the work?
Renovation of the retail fish market.
Retail fish market.
Yeah, full renovation. We have got the plans, everything. Another thing is we have we wanted to have the solar installation above the retail fish market. Okay. So that also, this proposal was discussed today, and we have got the provisional. In principle, they have agreed to it. The authority has agreed to it. Another thing is the parking plaza. Okay, the SUDA in principle we have approved of it. It has been approved by the authority. And the
Ponda municipality.
Yeah.
Garden.
Yeah.
Garden. No.
Garden.
Redevelopment of municipal garden at Ponda.
Prudent खातीर सावियो डायस.